So can we overload our main method? Main method is an entry point. It's main entry point. You can't really overload it if you're talking about as entry point. You can't really overload. Java virtual machine will not be able to identify which method should it run. So it's gonna be using this method only. So let's do it a couple of overloading to show that technically you can overload it, but like an actual usage of this overloading, it will not happen. So if you have change it and let's say call it like this one, it will not really be used because the var args is similar to this first method. And if we try to make it like integer here, if we try to add another main without any parameter, it also works. So as a point of technicality, can you do it? Yes, you can, but it will not really work because var args and array of string is gonna be like same. So I don't really expect like there will be usage here, but maybe for testing purposes you might have like here main here, maybe main pass one here, but this is basically nonsense usage for this main. So technically you can do it, but realistically speaking you really don't need to have like those kind of overloaded main method. It's kind of pointless. And if you are asked in this kind of interview, well, you have your answer here. You also can remove the static here, and of course you can't really call a method that's not non-static within a static scope, so it doesn't really work. But you got the point. You can overload it, but you don't really expect Java Virtual Machine to identify it and work on it. You can only work with this main method only. Yep. So hopefully it kind of makes sense now.